Okay, so we've got these divided lines in here in the mass family. So if I pick those and go to edit in place, next thing we're going to do is put um, some components on there, right? So I'm going to load some adaptive components. We've talked about these in class. So if I go to my insert load family and I go to, I'm just going to pull some tubes in here because they're the easiest. So I'm just going to get a 2-point tube, and then I think I have a couple of 3-point tubes. One's a spline, one's not a spline, and then I have a 4-point tube. Let's go ahead and get it. And I'm just going to load all those into project. So they're going to come in and upgrade all of those, and they're going to show up down here in my generic model. So you can see these sort of tubes. So what I can do is I can come in and place these right onto this armature. So if I wanted to do something really simple, like just have columns, I could come in and do, let's do a 2x6, and I can just put a column in here, right, like that, and then I can repeat that. So I get a very simple sort of, now those columns are going down a slope, right? And then I could do the same thing again. I could repeat that, with this guy. Alright, this one's set to be bigger. Should probably reverse those. And I could repeat that, right? So you're getting sort of that. So maybe I pick these guys and flip them out for the blue ones, right? And I pick these guys and flip them out for the 2x6s. So you're just getting something, that's indicative of a trellis. Now that I've done that, I can kind of come around and play around with like, well, maybe I want 20 of those, right? And apply. Or maybe that's too many, so maybe I only want 12. And you're kind of figuring out, how you want those guys to update. And then you can also do things like, move things around, and it will start to adjust that. So that's with just a very simple. So I'm just going to delete these. You can also use a 3-point, right, and have them all be 1. So if I come in, I've got this 3-point tube square. Let's go ahead and do this one. We'll do a 6-inch. And if I come in and go 1, 2, make sure I'm getting the right one, sometimes it's hard to see, 3, right, then I can repeat that, and it does it all as 1, so it's not just 2, but it's the same kind of width, right? So you're sort of getting that, right? Okay.